I would like to know how we create good antibodies that target multiple related viruses of a kind. Here are two plushies of my favorite viruses, dengue virus and Zika virus. I'm Tulika Singh. I am a Hanna Gray Fellow and a postdoc at UC Berkeley. I was born in India and I grew up mostly in Wisconsin. But visiting my family back home and living in the US, I realized that there was a lot of inequality in the world. And I was thinking, hey, what can I do about this? How can I help protect all people and keep all people healthy all around the world? And as I grew up, I realized that infectious disease was part of what keeps a lot of people poor. And if people were able to be healthy, then they didn't have to deal with infectious diseases anymore. Then we could, allow people to rise and live up to their fullest potential. And so I wanted to be part of the solution. The focus of my research is to understand how people generate good immune responses really early during infection. Because when you have an infection, it is a battle between the virus and our body's immune response. And we have to really speedily create a good immune response. So what often comes up really early in the immune response is antibodies. Antibodies are these proteins and molecules that circulate in your blood, and they target viruses for destruction. And I want to know what types of antibodies are really good at destroying viruses and which cells they come from. So one of the things that I study in my research today is understanding how the exact sequence of infections selects different parts of our immune response to save as a memory for later. And then that memory can then reactivate against the next infection. The Hanna Gray Fellows Program is truly a life-changing program for me. It provides us incredible salary support, plus professional development support. But most importantly, you're grouped with your peers who are also in the same phase of life with the same types of goals and dreams. And I have learned so much from my peers. I'm so inspired by these amazing scientists that I get to be in the same cohort with. It motivates me. It tells me, hey, you belong here still. There's something very important for me to contribute. And this is just the beginning of something that's going to be really great and long-lasting.